Assalamualaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. Let's start our today's task. Today we will start our task from part B of reading for comprehension. Question B. Take the right choice. As we have discussed and completed our question answers in our previous lecture, I hope you have done it without any problem. Question number 2, part B, is a MCQ type question. Part 1. The doctor advises Ali to take rest for dash weeks. How many weeks? 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 weeks. As the doctor advised him to take rest for 2 weeks. Here is the answer for about 2 weeks. The patient suffers from cough, flu, high fever, or diarrhea. High fever. Dengue is also known as breakbone fever. Number 4. Use of insecticides and repellents is dash to avoid dengue fever is essential to avoid dengue fever. Number 5. Ali wanted to give this information to his friends, relatives, parents, or neighbors. Yes, friends. You will mark the answers on your book and learn it. Okay. Next part is about grammar portion. Grammar. In today's grammar lecture, we will discuss the modal verbs. What is the modal verb? Modal verb or modals are those helping verbs which help us to express the mode or manner in which the action is done. Like if I say you must do it, I use the word must, means I use it to show the necessity of the work. Okay, so these are the some words or verbs that shows the mode or the manner of the action. Okay, there are some models and the uses of it in our daily life. If we use can be used in show the ability or inability. Like they can attempt the paper within 3 hours, or inability, we can't give extra time. Could, permission or request. Could I borrow your camera, or could you explain it to me? This is kind of request, and this is the permission. May is used for prayer. May you live long, and sometimes discussions statements are the examples of may. Possibility, you also use this as the possibility of the work. He may have missed his lecture. In this Ali is late, he may have missed this lecture. This is the possibility that if Ali is late, it might be possible that he have missed the lecture. Might is also used as possibility or suggestion. Okay, must is used for necessity, show the necessity of the work, or prohibition. Will is used as habit. She will talk about nothing but films. And will also use a request. Will you lend me your bicycle? Would is used for desire and request. Shall is for suggestion and promise. Ought to, obligation or suggestion, and should is for suggestion. Okay, so you will learn the concept and function of the models. Okay, next question is punctuate the following paragraph. As you have done it many times, how to punctuate the paragraph or any statement. Every statement must be started from capital letter and with the full stop. All the proper noun must be written with the capital letters, and use commas or and these punctuation marks where necessary. Like a must be written as capital letter. A terrible earthquake hit Pakistan. Pakistan is the proper noun, so you will write it P in the capital letter. On 8th October, October is also a proper noun, so you will write O in the capital 2005 at 8:51. This is the time. You will mark the write the colon sign here 8:51 and write the time in the form of this. Sorry. 0581, and am must be written in capital A dot m. Okay, and this statement is completely completed, so we will write full stop here. It is the second word, first sentence, first word of second sentence, so it will be I will be capital. It badly affected the northern areas of Pakistan, and Pakistan will also again written as capital letter. And Azad Kashmir will also A and K will be capital. Hundreds of thousands of buildings and houses collapsed or suffered enormous damage. Enormous damage. And here you will use full stop because the statement is completed. Children were C will be capital. Children were the worst sufferers as it was a normal school day. Most were at school when the earthquake struck. Many were buried under collapsed school buildings. And you will write full stop here. Okay, you will punctuate it and write the paragraph again in the punctuation form after using the punctuation, and you will write it on your notebook. Next question, part B of the grammar portion. This is about the uses of models. Okay, use appropriate modal verb given in the bracket. Fill the bracket. First is his opinion dash be true. Could or might. Could is, as we know, that could is used for the permission or the request, and might is used for the possibility or suggestion. So you will write might, because here might be true, his opinion might be true, not we are showing the request or permission. So you will write might. The girl dash, write an essay. The girl can, the girl may, the girl can. You dash attend the class regularly. You must attend the class regularly. Right? Must. We dash to work for our country. We used to work. We ought to work. We ought to work. You dash work hard to attain good marks. You should work hard to attain good marks. Number 6, dash. You show me the way to the airport. Could you show me the? Would you is also used here. Would you show me the way to the airport? Yes, both are used as would and could. Both are possible to write, but best preferable is could. Number 7, you dash be punished for this. You shall or you should. You should be punished for this. Dash, you like another cup of tea. Would you like to take another cup of tea? Okay, and should. We have completed our chapter, grammar portion and question number 2 of reading for comprehension. You will do it and learn it by heart. Okay, students, take care. Allah Hafiz.